If you create content with your phone, you already know the frustration. You hit record and then immediately second guess yourself. Should I record this horizontally for YouTube or vertically for Reels and TikTok? And by the time you figure it out, you've either missed a moment or you've recorded it in the wrong format and now your composition is completely off. That decision fatigue is real and it's been quietly killing your consistency. In this video, I'm going to show you an app called DualShot Recorder that eliminates that problem entirely. You'll be able to capture your own content in both horizontal and vertical formats at the same time. So you never have to choose, you never have to re-record, and you never have to compromise your shot again. Stay with me because this is going to be a game changer for anyone who creates content solely from their phone. And if you want to take this even further, I have a free content repurposing toolkit linked in the description below, because once you have your content in both formats, I'm going to show you how to stretch it across every platform. So check that out in the description below. Here's the thing nobody talks about. The biggest enemy of consistent content creation is not laziness, it's friction. Every time you pull out your phone to record, your brain is already running through a checklist. What platform is this for? How should I frame this shot? Is this going to look right when I edit it? And the mental load adds up. It slows you down. It stops you from hitting record in the first place. Think of it like packing for a trip and not knowing the weather. You either overpack and bring everything, or you guess wrong and end up without what you need. Decision fatigue in content creation works the exact same way. When there are too many choices, most people just don't go. That's why this app matters. It removes the choice entirely. You hit record once and you're covered. The less friction between you and the record button, the more consistent you become. And the consistency is what builds your brand. So let's talk about what DualShot Recorder actually does. So DualShot Recorder was created by Downey Jr. And what makes it so unique is something that sounds simple, but no one has solved it until now. It lets you record both horizontally and vertically at the same time directly from your iPhone. Now, you may be thinking, haven't other apps done something like this? And the answer is kind of, but not really. Other apps have experimented with allowing you to use your front camera and your back camera at the same time, but they're only locked in one orientation. You got the dual camera, but you didn't get the dual format, and that's a completely different problem. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife versus a regular knife. A regular knife does one thing well. A Swiss Army knife means that you're prepared for whatever comes up. DualShot Recorder is a Swiss Army knife of mobile recording. One tap and you walk away with footage that works everywhere. And here's something I want to highlight because it says a lot about who Derek is as a creator. So this app is a one-time purchase, no subscription, no monthly fee, no upsell. He built this app originally for himself as a tool he actually needed, and when he put it out to the world, creators responded immediately, including myself. It hit #1 in the App Store in photo and video category within 24 hours of launching. It was #1, and it held strong rankings across countries all over the world. And I believe still at this moment, he's #1 in over 20 countries. It started off at $6.99, but because of the demands and the updates he continues to roll out, the price has gone out to about $9.99. But here's what makes it even more remarkable. Derek has committed to any updates he releases, we all get them at no additional charge. No new version that you have to rebuy. You pay once and you're in. In a world where every app wants a piece of your monthly budget, that kind of integrity from a developer is rare. And honestly, it's one of the reasons why this app deserves every bit of attention that it's getting. And the result? You stop gatekeeping your own recording process. You stop going back to re-record something vertically that you've already shot horizontally. You just captured a moment and you have everything you need. And speaking of capturing the moment, let me tell you how I've actually been using this app. I've been using this app out in the world, at the gym, out and about, just living my life. And what has changed for me is that I no longer miss moments because I was overthinking the format. Before this app, here's what would happen. I see something worth capturing, a moment, a location, a behind the scenes clip, and I'd hesitate. Is this going to be for YouTube or is this going to be for Reels? And sometimes I just not record at all. Or I'd record it, get to my editing bay, and later realize I needed the other format as well. So it's like being a photographer who only bought one lens. You can still get great photos, but you're limited by what you actually need or what you're prepared for. With DualShot Recorder, I get my B-roll in both formats in one take. My composition isn't compromised, my framing is right for every platform, and I have way more flexibility when I sit down and edit because I was not working around a format problem, I was just working with great footage. Now let's talk about the quality side of things because the app also works with external microphones. Here's something that matters a lot if you're serious about your content. DualShot Recorder pairs with external microphones that plug directly into your phone. This is a big deal. A lot of apps that try to do something creative with their camera are cutting corners somewhere, and it's usually the audio. And if you've been creating content for any amount of time, you already know bad audio will lose your audience faster than a bad video every single time. The fact that this app supports external mics means you're not sacrificing your sound quality for the convenience of a dual format recording. You get both professional audio, dual orientation footage all from your phone, and that's a complete mobile content setup. And the app isn't standing still either. Let's talk about what's already been added in the second version. One of the things that tells you a lot about an app is what happens right after it launches. And Derek has already released a second iteration of DualShot Recorder, and one of the standout additions is Time-lapse. Now, why does that matter for content creators? Because Time-lapse is one of the most engaging, visually compelling formats that you can use for B-roll. Whether you're showing a transformation, documenting a process, or capturing a location, Time-lapse stops the scroll, and now you can capture that in both horizontal and vertical formats in the same recording session. This tells me two things. One, that app is actually being developed by someone who actually listens to their creators, and two, the use case for this tool is only going to get better. You're not buying into a finished product. You're getting in early on something that's going to keep getting better. I think we can all agree that the best tools are the ones that grow with you. And this is one that's already showing you that's exactly what it intends to do. And by the way, once you start capturing content in both formats, the next question becomes, what do I do with all of this? That's exactly what my free content repurposing toolkit is built for. It gives you 30 ways to take your existing content and stretch it across every platform so your brand stays visible and consistent without you having to create from scratch every single day. And you can find that link in the description. If you create content from your phone, whether you're a beginner, a professional, or somewhere in between, decision fatigue around formats have probably slowed you down more than you realize. DualShot Recorder solves that. One recording session gives you horizontal footage for your YouTube, vertical footage for Reels and TikTok and Shorts. Your composition stays intact, your audio is professional, and you stop missing moments because you were overthinking the format. We've covered why decision fatigue is a real enemy of consistency. We've looked up what makes this app genuinely different from anything else out there. We've talked about real-world use for B-roll and on-the-go content. We've covered audio quality, external mic support, and we've looked into a time-lapse update that shows this app is only getting started. The next step is simple. Go download DualShot Recorder and then grab my free content repurposing toolkit in the description below, so you know exactly what to do with all that content once you have it. And if you want to go even deeper into your content creation tools that will save you time and grow your brand, check out this video here, or here, where I break down 12 tools I wish I had found sooner. Now let's go create.